Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a very interesting video on using the transcribe feature with Word Online. This is a special feature which is only available for Word on web, and it has certain limitations which I would discuss later. Also, you may receive an error while trying to transcribe your voice. Transcribing means that it will convert your speech into text. Let us check how it's done. You may notice the Dictate menu in the Home tab after opening a blank document. Click on the downward pointing arrow corresponding to it and select Transcribe. Then, when you click on Start Recording, you may probably encounter an error. The cause of this error is that the microphone does not have sufficient permissions to use this application, and you can change it from here. Simply click on Always Allow for OneDrive and select Done. We can close Transcribe and try it again. Remember that the recording will start the second you click on Start Recording. Let us check this. My name is Karan and this is a test file. Welcome to the Windows Club. I clicked on Save the transcription and it will need a while to upload to OneDrive. Let us wait this while. You can verify the audio by clicking on Play, or you could directly click on Add to Document. See, the transcription is exactly what I said. My name is Karan. They changed it to Karen. And this is a test file. Welcome to the Windows Club. Isn't this amazing? It is picking up the direct voice without any errors. However, this feature has a few limitations which are discussed in this article on the Windows Club. I would be sharing the link in the description section. The limitations are that it has a 5-hour limit per month and the recording is limited to 2 MB in size. Yet, it is an amazing feature. If you still have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.